Well, hello there and welcome to my channel and an episode of Kika renovating. Well, I'm not really renovating, but today I am gonna put together my workspace, which I've been waiting for so long. And I've also been waiting for a bright and sunny day or for it to get a little bit more light in here. But welcome to Finland in November. It is super dark outside. It is raining for, I don't know, well, it's been raining for many days and it's like 12:30, so basically in the middle of the day, and this is how dark it is. But we're gonna make do with what we have. I've tried to put a lot of lights in here. So for those of you who don't know, we have moved in here into this apartment around a few weeks ago. Everything is still quite in the middle and nothing is really finished, but I really wanted to make a workspace. So this is going to be my workroom. This flat belonged to my grandmother and I think she used this as her bedroom, but now it's gonna be a workspace instead. And so everything has been renovated. So the floor is new, the walls have been painted white. So it is actually pretty fresh and nice, even though now today is quite dark, so you looks a little gloomy. I am really excited to finally get a designated space to work, because when you work from home, life and work, they just intertwine, and sometimes that's fine, but sometimes it can be super frustrating to try to turn off work when you are just in the same space all the time. I do go and sit in cafes with my laptop very often, which I've noticed now, probably because of Corona times and people are working from home. There's a lot of people sitting in the cafe, so it's almost like going to an office, which I really enjoy. But since it's also nice to be at home and being able to work at home and not sit in cafes all the time, this has been on my priority list. Today I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take you along. I don't have all my stuff here yet, but I'm gonna put the stuff I have into my little office, and I have plans. So what more could you really ask for? All right, let's start. All right, so first up, I think this cabinet I found in my grandmother's cellar, and it's from like 1968, I think. So it's super old, or the flat is from 1968. I'm not sure if this is actually from the same year, but it's from the 60s. And it was this really dark brown color, which actually I don't mind that much. But then I felt, because I have a wooden desk as well, and then with two woods in a bit of a different color, I thought maybe that doesn't look so nice. So I painted it this kind of bluish green color. And I've just first painted it with a base coat, white, and then twice with this color. And I'm not gonna show you too many details because it's a little sloppy job, but I think it's gonna be nice to have some color in here. So I'm gonna put this cabinet up against that wall, and then I'm gonna take all the piles of my stuff that is currently in the living room, just on the floor, and gonna start by putting those in this cabinet. And I think it's gonna be perfect because I have so many all kinds of random hobby stuff and papers and yarns and weird Instagram props like a fan and a deck of cards and balloons and all these pretty, oh, I can never say this word, miscellaneous? Miscellaneous, is that how you pronounce it? Well, that thing, these kind of trinkets and stuff. So this is gonna be that cabinet where I can just hide everything. So that is gonna be the first thing on the list. Let's see if I can move it. I painted the second coat this morning, but I think it should be dry. Hey, what do you think about the new office? Do you think it's gonna be good? finished putting in all the stuff in the closet or the cabinet. If I look weird, it's because I'm on my knees because I broke my tripod like a month ago or something, so I can't get it up to full height. So anyways, need to get a new tripod. I put in all the stuff in the cabinet, so I still have some things in the attic of my parents' place, but for now I'll just put it in like this, and I'm pretty happy with it. And oops. And by complete serendipity, I guess you could call it, the carpet I have in this room matches exactly, and the carpet in the cabinet or the closet matches exactly with this box, which I guess just goes to show that I really like these colors. All right, next up, I'm gonna organize my desk. Before we continue, I actually wanted to take a moment and talk about something pretty exciting that I've been working on behind the scenes, which is I have been painting and drawing my first ever merchandise. So I'm gonna come out with my first ever merchandise. It's gonna be like mostly t-shirts and sweatshirts. But for this, because this video is sponsored by Skillshare, which I've worked with before, or I've worked with them before, and it's an online learning platform. And this was perfect because I'm not a painter or drawer as my profession, but I needed to quickly get some skills and get some ideas and some styles of how I could make these paintings, even though I have been painting like forever. But I just wanted to brush up on my skills a little bit. And if you find yourself that you have something else creative, maybe that is not your area of expertise, Skillshare has tons of classes in photography, animation, illustration, creative writing, even in production and freelancing, and all these things from really experts in their field. So I'll definitely recommend to check them out. I've used them so many times, and this really time they were a lifesaver. So go and click the link in the description below, and you'll get a free trial of Skillshare membership, Skillshare premium membership, and it's also less than $10 a month to become a member. And I will keep you updated about my merchandise. It will hopefully, I'll get the sample soon and I can then share more about it. But in the meantime, go and check out Skillshare. All right, back to the video. All right. Here is the desk space. I am so happy with this desk. So it actually consists of these legs that I bought from Ikea, which proved to be a real IQ test to put together, even though really shouldn't be. Anyways, and then bought this wooden, it's just like a wooden block of wood. I think it's ek, tammi. I think that's oak in English. And then I oiled it, and yeah, it just sits there nicely. And I think the white legs make it a little bit more fresh because the wood became quite dark, but I think it looks really nice. And now, what is really crucial for me to have on my desk, because I wanted it to be really deep, so I have enough space because I sit so much with my laptop, so I wanted it to be deep enough like this, or not deep enough, wide enough, I mean. And then usually what I like to use is have my pens, have my journals, have my laptop, and make sure I have a charger nearby, because that drives me insane to have to always run for the charger. Bella, this is my working chair. We need it now. We need it now. Whee! Yep. Whee! Oh, I think this is gonna be so nice. And I have one more final thing, because you know I love fairy lights, so I'm gonna put some fairy lights in the window, or in the window, or then maybe around the desk. Okay, I think this this looks quite nice. And then I could put some of my photos on this. That's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I mean, of course, there's still gonna be some small adjustments that need to be made, but I think in the beginning you kind of have to set up a room, or it's always when you move first, you do it like one way and then you have to live with it a bit and then you'll see how it turns out. But I mean, I have a workspace now. I can sit here and work. And I think also the fairy light is really nice. It's so dark outside. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. I hope you enjoyed this little home office, not really a makeover because it was from scratch, so the making of a home office, I suppose. If you'd like to see more of my photos, you can come say hi. I'm over at Kika on Instagram. All right, and yeah, so like the whole place or the whole flat, we're working on it all the time. Yesterday we got our couch, which was so exciting because we've been waiting for it for over 3 months almost. So I'm gonna make that video. I just wanted to share this little snippet with you first. All right, I guess gonna get to work now. No, I'm not gonna get to work. I'm gonna eat something. Then I'm gonna get to work on editing this video. All right, take care and see you guys soon. Bye. Ooh, and I can do this now. Let's see if I got any important emails.
There's a bee in my bonnet, hello, hello, a bee in my bonnet, hello. There's a bee in my bonnet, hello, hello, a bee in my bonnet, hello.